Okay, is everybody ready? Oh, sorry guys, I gotta take this.
Corey, stop.
You can't take a call during our presentation.
Forget about that. Do you know how dirty your phone is?
Yeah, when was the last time you cleaned your phone?
Why would I clean my phone?
Corey, your phone is 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat.
10 times?
Don't worry, this product can help. Hi, we're SpRITZ and we're here to help you live a germ-free life. My name is Angela and I'm the president of SpRITZ. Our team of 27 students was founded on our company values and the mission to promote a germ-free environment in a way that is simple, affordable, and eco-friendly. Our ultimate goal is to inspire individuals to live a germ-free life on all of their portable devices. As Corey is showing you right now, our product allows you to disinfect your phone with just a spray and a wipe. Now more than ever, it's important to stay safe and clean, which is why we created our phone cleaning kit for this year's program. As a company, we focused on developing an eco-friendly product, engaging our customers, and providing them with a positive ROI. Along the way, we learned about several things, including accountability, making quick decisions, and communication.
Hi, I'm Genevieve and I'm a supply chain specialist. The SpRITZ phone cleaning kit includes a long-lasting cleaning solution spray bottle, a durable and reusable microfiber cleaning cloth, which is available in 10 different colors, and a compact black microfiber pouch that the spray and cloth can be contained in. All these supplies were sourced from Amazon, as it was both cost-efficient and required no physical contact. We established an efficient multi-step production process consisting of product development, quality control, assembly, and distribution, which allowed us to safely produce a total of 200 products. Our grab-and-go product can be stored in handbags, cars, or pretty much anywhere, and selling at a price of only $12, our customers get their money's worth through a long-lasting, eco-friendly, and convenient solution for their dirty phones.
Hi, I'm Mary, the VP of Sales. This year, we built our company by tapping into the insight and reality of needing to live cleaner and more consciously as a result of COVID-19. Through our market research, we gathered that our main customers were teens and adults who use their phones frequently. Our marketing and sales teams worked hard advertising our product to these audiences via social media, newsletters, one-to-one communication, and more. As a result of these efforts, we saw an average of 600 website visits weekly and over $2,000 in sales.
Hi, I'm Corey, Vice President of Finance. We raised an initial $1,000 in startup capital through the bootstrapping method, where investors gave us money which would be redistributed to them along with the profits during liquidation. Selling 176 of our 200 products gave us a revenue of over $2,000. After all expenses accounted for, this left us with a profit of $616 and gave our investors a return of 40%. This also allowed us to make a donation to our local charity partner, the Colonial Neighborhood Council, of $25.
Hi, I'm Tati, a human resources specialist. This year's program has been very valuable to us coworkers. It has not only allowed us to develop business and interpersonal skills that will be useful for the rest of our lives, but it has also taught us so much about doing business and communicating in the online world. Despite challenges we face, we learn the value of accountability through helping each other out, quick decision-making by completing deadlines, and communication specifically through the online world. We as a company succeeded in overcoming many difficulties to be successful.
As you can see, our company is dedicated to cleanliness, environmental consciousness, and providing our customers with the best experience possible. You don't want to be using a phone dirtier than a toilet seat, so let's all live a germ-free life with SpRITZ.
All right, we're ready for the Q&A, Stuart? Okay. So congratulations, it was a very solid open. It was entertaining. I said, wait a minute, am I supposed to start the button now? So that was great. I'm curious about the 40% ROI. Is it, did you find a product that just inherently had a large margin? People didn't know they needed it and didn't have a price point, or was it the packaging together? How did you get such a great return?
We think we got this return because people were really willing to pay a lot of money for our product. We set the price at $12, and we thought that was a good price for us. It gave us a pretty good margin, and people were willing to pay the price. And in the end, it turned out great.
Supply and demand.
There you go.
This is
No, that was a. Oh,
I'm
sorry.
sorry. Go ahead. No, go ahead. I can wait. No.
No, I was just going to reiterate what Jim said. That was a fantastic start. At first, I was like, "Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to give them a 3 or 4," and then it was all part of the plan. So that was great, guys. Supply chain is near and dear to my heart, so I'm interested in knowing from Janavi, as you were the supply chain leader, what did you learn through the process? Did you run into any roadblocks with, getting all of these materials together? Kind of what were some of your learnings from a supply chain perspective?
There were definitely a couple roadblocks. One mistake that we initially made was that we ordered stamps as a part of our shipping process because it was a virtual environment, so contact wasn't ideal. But we decided that instead of stamps, it would be a lot more efficient and organized to have each of the supply chain members with the products to ship out the product and then pay the fee of it out of their own pocket and later be reimbursed by finance. So we definitely thought that that worked a lot better.
Great, thank you.
So you mentioned overcoming many difficulties. I'll ask anyone who wants to answer. What was the biggest challenge your team faced?
Other than, being in the online world, which is something that none of us were really used to, I feel like just in general coming up with activities for us to get closer as a team, because it's very important in a company for everyone to be close, or not close, but willing to work together and just being in a safe and valuable company environment. So not only was it the online world that was quite difficult, but it was just trying to get everyone to participate and everyone to just honestly have a good time and wanting to continue to work. And I feel like we, as a company, did a really good job. We had a lot of team building activities. We had a lot of pitch sales like we're kind of doing now. So just building an overall company environment was one of our main difficulties that we just overcame.
Were you all from close schools? Did you know one another, or was that another challenge? You didn't know one another prior.
Yeah, so there were a couple of people I think that came from the same schools that knew each other, but none of us on the team here knew each other before, and most people in the company didn't know each other. So like Tati brought up, we did have to use a lot of tactics to bring the company closer and just make sure everyone got to know each other and could work together well.
So with that said, what process did you guys use to make decisions if there were people who thought you should go in a different direction?
So with big decisions, such as deciding which product to actually sell in the first place, we did that by initially we narrowed it down to 3 products, and then we used voting because we wanted everyone to have a say within the company. Just everyone's vote was weighted the same, and then we narrowed it down to 2 products, and finally we narrowed it down to the phone cleaner that we have today, and then some other smaller decisions that we didn't feel like needed to be voted on by the executive team.
Great, thank you.
So I'm curious about the marketing. So I caught social media in there, Instagram posts. Did you go through your own social media accounts? Did you purchase? How did you? I mean, was it inevitable that was your only choice just because of the virtual world, or were there some investments made there?
Yeah, so we actually started by making a company email, and then from there we sent it to our marketing VP, and she made a new Instagram account for completely free. Okay. And we would just make sure to stay very similar and use our only company colors, but we didn't have to pay anything. We didn't think that would be necessary, and we still got lots of likes without paying.
Thanks.
Great job.
Nice job.